Hello everyone. Today we will do subject enrichment activity for class 3 social studies. This activity is based on map work. In this activity, we have to outline states and union territories on a map of India. To perform this activity, we need a political map of India, pencil colors or crayons, updated list of states and union territories of India. To perform this activity, take a political map of India. In the political map of India, the states and union territories are clearly bifurcated. Then, now color the states and union territories with different colors. Then neatly state the names of 28 states and 8 union territories on the map. You can take the help of the map shown on the screen. Also, here is the updated list of all the states and union territories with their capital cities. This is the latest list as per the year 2020 records. After performing the activity, your final output should look like this. You can also name neighbor countries like Afghanistan, China, Pakistan, Sri Lanka on the map. After the map work, there should be a list of all the states and union territories with their capital cities. The list of states and union territories with their capital cities should be made neatly using the same colors as used in the map. For example, if we have used green color while coloring the map of Uttar Pradesh, the same color should be used while writing the Uttar Pradesh and its capital Lucknow. Please note the following points. Activity should be performed neatly. Students can be creative in doing the activity. A list of all the states and union territories with their capital cities should be made on the next page.